Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your heated steering wheel in your 2021 Acura Tlx Advance. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is go to the left hand side of the steering wheel. And once you do, let me go zoom in for you guys real quick. Top right, it's gonna have the steering wheel with the heat coming up on it. So all you have to do, press on it. Give it a couple seconds and you feel the steering wheel starting to heat up. And orange means that the feature is on right now. To turn it off, of course, just press on it. And just like that, it is off. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Acura, and thank you guys for watching.